pork baby back ribs. Yes, sir. And we're going to show y'all the simplest and the easiest method to do these on the offset. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Oh yeah, we season them up with a little mustard as a binder and some granulated garlic, a little bit of Lowry's, and some coarse black pepper. That's all we used on these ribs today, and a little bit of paprika for color. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get them out here on tank. That's my smoker. If this is y'all first time coming, I'm Uncle B. And yeah, I give y'all my easiest methods and quickest ways to do an offset smoker. Yeah, no probes, no mop, no spray. We just let the smoker do what it do over here, and we get great results. So if that interests you, stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're about an hour in on these baby back ribs. Let's check it out. We're running wide open on the stack today, and we don't have any wind. We're running about a third of the way open on the stack today, and we're gonna see if we can get a little more smoke today on these ribs. Yep, we're sitting 250 like we always do. That smoke is a little bit white, but that's okay. We're gonna check it out. Don't sweat the white smoke. As long as it ain't too thick, y'all, it's no problem. All right, we're about an hour and 15 minutes in on these things. We cooking them hot and fast today because we're trying to beat the rain. We got the rain coming in later on, and we're gonna try to beat it. Yes, sir. So that's how we're looking right now. Just about an hour in the smoke. We're gonna let them continue to rock. So y'all stay tuned, stay with me. So y'all, the best and the simple way to cook ribs on the offset smoker. No spray, no mop, no sauce, no probes. You don't see no probes. Just some good wood. That's it. Cooking with pecan today. All right. Bring y'all back in a minute. About another hour. Well, y'all, it started to rain on me. We're about 3 hours in on these baby backs. Let's check it out. I was trying to beat the rain, but yes, got a little wet on me. We still rocking hot. Yes, sir. Trying to get them done. 275 on the grate. All right. Got 2 stumps in that burner. Yep. Yeah, see? Them tame flames right there, that's what you want when you're running these smokers. You don't want them big old billowing flames. You know, some people think the bigger the flame, the better. No, you just want them little tame flames like that right there. That's what give you that clear blue smoke right there like that. Look at the damper. The damper, we barely open on the damper. And we still rocking hot. Let's check these things out. We 3 hours in. These baby backs. Let's check it out. It's just raining. We trying to get it done. Yes, sir. Yeah, the fat's starting to render now. We're looking right. We're gonna let them continue to rock. Gotta close this lid down because this rain is coming down. Yep. If you stuck with me this long, I appreciate it. So, but yeah, that's the easiest way to rock out on some ribs on the smoker. Just let the smoker do what it do. You don't need no fancy probes. You know, getting even temperatures across the grate. You know, just let the. This is the most important part right here. Keep your fire maintained right and your airflow right for the conditions of the day, because every day is going to be different, and you'll be all right as long as you keep that smoke like that right there and the flames tame. Everything look the same as Uncle B. Uncle B, we got plenty of videos on here. If you want to watch them, check them out. Yeah, y'all stick with me to the end. We're gonna try to beat this rain. Well, we didn't beat it, but we're gonna see how long the old pecos will stay hot out here in the rain. Y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, the rain has slacked up a little bit now, and we've been out here for about 3 hours. Let's check it out, see what we're looking at. See what we're looking like, y'all. Take a peek. And we're sitting about 265 on the grate. Temperature is dropping. We must need some wood on there. Yep, need another log on there. We'll put another stump on there right quick. Yeah, you gotta keep your cold bed right. See that cold bed? As long as that cold bed is healthy, that log gonna stay fired up just right. That's the most important thing. Keep that cold bed healthy. But yeah, we're gonna stick another log on there. Kick the temperature up. So we've been on here about 3 hours. We're gonna kick it up now. And, go ahead and give these ribs a little character. That's what I call it. Some people call it a little color. I call it a little character. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give them a little character. Let's check them out. See what they're looking like. 3 hours in. Yep. Looking just right. Just like I like. That fat rendering right there on there. That's what you want right there. There's no spray, no mop. That's just the natural juices coming out of the ribs. That's all you need. You maintain your temperature and your airflow. Much airflow today. So we got the damper shut down pretty good because there's not much wind out. So, yep. Keep that joker just right. Keep everything flowing just right and the juices flowing just right. Oh, and there's a lot of humidity in the air today too because it's raining outside. So we ain't got to worry about no drying out today. But, yep. Just keep it simple, people. No spray, no mop, no sauce. Just let the smoker do what it do. Keep your fire maintained right, and you'll be all right. Bring y'all back in another hour. Well, we've been through rain, a little bit of wind, and old tank still cooking. Got these baby back ribs on here, and I think we're about to get them off. We're at the 4 hour mark, and yeah, wide open on that thing still because been fighting the wind, the rain. We're about halfway open on the stack. Let's take a peek. Like I say, I just keep it simple. That's the best way to cook ribs any day. Keep it simple. No probes, no sprays, you know. Hey, look at that. You still see the moisture, the fat render. That's his own juices coming out. See that? Look at that. Look at that. All that fat just rendering right there. Yes, sir. That's what you want. We're going to get these things off of here, wrap them up, put them back on for another hour. If the rain holds up, we got some storms building. I just checked the radar. So I might just stick them in the oven. They got enough smoke on them right now. They'll be just fine. Finishing them off in the oven. I think I might do that and save some wood. Yeah, we just wanted to take another peek at them. Let y'all know that if you keep it simple, you can get good results. Without all the overspray and marinating overnight. And I just took them out the package, rinsed them off, put some seasoning on them, and brought them out here on the smoker and let the smoker do the rest. That's the best way. Keep it simple. Alrighty, we're gonna get these things wrapped up and get them in the oven, finish them off, and I'll let y'all take a peek at them when we get them out the oven. But that's it. Try it out for Memorial Day or whatever day. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Check out my other rib videos too. I got a whole playlist for y'all to check out.